This episode is brought to you by the Financial Services School, specializing in educating insurance professionals.
The most important principle of insurance is utmost good faith. In other words, honesty. And why is honesty so important in insurance? Well, just imagine the cost involved for the insurer to get a person out to verify that everything that you're saying is true and correct when you take out your insurances. And why should you care about that? Because the cost of all this extra work has to go somewhere, and it would be you, the consumer, who's going to incur that cost. In the case of home or car insurance, it would almost double the cost of insurance. When it comes to claim time, the insurer is entitled to check all you've said, and if you have not made a full disclosure, it will affect your claim. And why? Because insurers are going to rate you on what you say, to decide A, if it fits their risk profile, in other words, whether they want to insure you, and B, if they do want to insure you, on what terms. For example, price. Let's put this into practice. Your parents have gone out and bought you a grandpa spec Nissan Pulsar. And true to form, you've gone out and spent twice what it's worth on chrome rims, a spoiler the size of an ironing board, and slapped on a neighbour irritating exhaust. You take out insurance and declare that it's still a stock standard Pulsar. You think this is a good idea because, well, it cuts your premium in half. While out cruising with your homies, you have an accident and make a claim. The insurer's going to come out, see your now scuffed up chrome rims and other mods, and see what you've declared isn't exactly what's in front of them, and you haven't been exactly honest. The insurer has two courses of action in this scenario. They can compensate you for the risk they've insured you for, in this case, your stock standard Pulsar, leaving you to replace your mods. Alternatively, if they do not insure modified cars, they could refuse to pay your claim completely. They could void your claim and cancel your policy. In effect, this is like you never had insurance in the first place. Imagine pulling bits of Pulsar out of a Bentley. Not to mention, you get a black mark on your record that will never go away, affecting future insurance prospects. So remember everyone, it's your duty to tell the insurer any and all information that has an impact on what you're insuring. Don't just wait for renewal. Click here for another video we did, give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful, comment with more stuff you want to know about, and for more demystified insurance jargon, click that subscribe button.